Hello friends and my dear Mitro, welcome to our channel Vanakam CA. Today what we are going to see? Today we are going to see how to calculate the power. For example, x raised to n. Example, let's take 2 raised to 8. Okay, what we do normally? 2 into 1 time, 2 time, 3 time, 4 time, 5 time, 6 time, 7 time, and 8 time. This is what we normally do. But in case of doing like this, it consumes time. Instead of doing like this, you can do 2 into equal to, you got 2 square, into equal to, now you got 2 raised to 4, into equal to, now you got 2 raised to 8. Okay, this is what we learned in the last class. Okay, then what we do now, now here we have another method, 2 into equal to, now you got 2 square, and again into equal to, you got 2 raised to 4. This is one method. Now if you want to take 2 raised to 4, what we normally do, 2 into equal to, we got that answer. What? 2 into equal to 16. But there is another method is there, 2 raised to 4 is equal to 2 into equal to deduct one number. If you have 4, press 3 equal to. Okay, let's see, 2 into, you have 4, press 3 times, 1 2 3, you got the answer. If you have 2 raised to 8, you can do like this, 2 into 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, that's it, shift 7. Okay, so you got 256. Like this friends. Why? When we have 2 raised to 2, 2 raised to 2, or 2 raised to 4, 2 raised to 8, 2 raised to 16, 2 raised to 32, and 2 raised to 64, we can use that method what we learned in last lecture. But instead, in case of 2 raised to 6 and 2 raised to 12 and 2 raised to 10, what we do, we can use this number like this. If you have 2 raised to 6, 2 into 6, so press 5 time equal to 1 2 3 4 5 6. Here we have 16. Okay, so press 15 time into 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15. That's it guys, you got this answer, is equal to, now 2 raised to 9, 2 into, now you press equal to 9 times, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, you got the answer, 2 not 2 4. It is very simple guys.